Good morning, everyone. This is Med City CPA, and I'm reading through the Form 1040 instructions, and I just noticed that towards the end they have what's called your rights as a taxpayer, the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, and there are 10 of them. I thought I'd just share this in a video in case anyone's interested. It is number 1, the right to be informed, the right to quality service. Number 3, the right to pay no more than the correct amount of tax. Number 4, the right to challenge the IRS position and be heard. Number 5, the right to appeal an IRS decision in an independent form. Number 6, the right to finality. Number 7, the right to privacy. Number 8, the right to confidentiality. Number 9, the right to retain representation. And number 10, the right to a fair and just system. So this is the 2018 Form 1040 instructions. And here we are if you want to read the details. But it's all the way towards the end. I'm on page 116. I thought this would be interesting. Thought someone would find this useful, helpful. Alrighty.